2008 Margaret Brent Special Award recipient, Dr. Sarah Weddington. Who could have imagined that a young girl exploring the vast plains of West Texas on horseback and becoming the president of the Canyon, Texas High School Future Homemakers of America would one day play a historic role in gaining critical rights and freedoms for all American women? From a young age, she loved to travel, read, and study. Those wonderful attributes enabled her to finish high school at the age of 16, graduate college at 19, and finish the University of Texas School of Law, receiving her JD at 21. As a very young attorney, she became involved in a wide variety of legal endeavors, including her involvement with the American Bar Foundation Committee to revise ethical standards for lawyers. It was, however, because of her role as the winning attorney in the landmark 1973 Roe v. Wade decision that Sarah Weddington strode into not only legal history, but into all of American history as well.
We'll hear arguments in number 18, Roe against Wade. Mrs. Weddington, you may proceed whenever you're ready.
Mr. Chief Justice, and may it please the Court. The instant case is a direct appeal from a decision of the United States District Court for the Northern District of Texas. The Court declared the Texas abortion law to be unconstitutional for two reasons. First, that the law was impermissibly vague, and second, that it violated a woman's right to determine to continue or terminate a pregnancy.
When she first argued before the Supreme Court, Sarah was just 26 years of age. It is believed that she is the youngest person ever to win a case before that court. In prevailing, Weddington played a pivotal role in advancing reproductive freedom and the rights of women in American society. She demonstrated that one person, one lawyer, can make an enormous difference and change history. In 1972, she was elected to the Texas House of Representatives, one of only 5 women in the 150-member chamber, and the first elected from Austin, Travis County, Texas. Among her many causes and victories as a state representative, she helped reform the Texas rape statutes, was instrumental in changing Texas law to provide equal consideration for mothers and fathers in custody disputes, and successfully campaigned for the Texas Equal Legal Rights Amendment. In 1977, President Jimmy Carter appointed Sarah to be General Counsel of the U.S. Department of Agriculture. She was both the first woman ever appointed to this office and, at age 32, the youngest person ever to serve as General Counsel of a cabinet-level department. The following year, President Carter asked Sarah to work in the White House. She served as Assistant to the President of the United States, the highest White House staff level. She led administration efforts to promote women and assisted in the selection of women for the federal judiciary, including Justice Ruth Bader Ginsburg to her first federal bench, and other top federal appointments. She is featured as an unforgettable woman in the Women's Museum in Dallas, the first national museum dedicated to the history and achievements of women. Today, she continues her impressive work as a speaker and writer, as well as her duties as a professor at the University of Texas, Austin. Her wisdom, energy, and optimism have inspired countless women to pursue careers in the law, and she has provided both women and men alike with a model of excellence, integrity, and commitment to the highest ideals of our profession. It is with great pleasure that the ABA Commission on Women in the Profession presents the 2008 Margaret Brent Special Award to Dr. Sarah Weddington.